Welcome to today's video where we'll dive into the exciting world of programming languages. With so many options out there, it's natural to wonder, which programming languages are the best to learn? Let's find out. First up, we have Python. Known for its simplicity and readability, Python is often recommended for beginners. It's versatile and widely used in web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. Its large community and extensive libraries make it a great starting point. If web development piques your interest, then JavaScript is a must. Learn. It's the language of the web, making websites interactive and dynamic. Combined with HTML, JavaScript forms the backbone of modern web development. When it comes to mobile app development, Java and Swift are strong contenders. Java, known for its platform independence, is used for Android app development. Swift, on the other hand, is designed by Apple for iOS app development, and its clean syntax makes it beginner-friendly. If you're interested in data science and analytics, then R and Skill are essential. R is specialized for statistical computing and data visualization. SQL, often pronounced SQL, is used for managing and querying databases. Mastering these languages can unlock insights from vast data sets. Moving into the realm of robotics and embedded systems, C and C++ shine. These languages offer low-level control and high performance, making them suitable for systems programming, game development, and creating software for hardware devices. Security enthusiasts might lean towards languages like C, Python, and Ruby. They're used for developing tools to test and secure systems. Python's simplicity and extensive libraries make it particularly appealing for scripting and cybersecurity tasks. Now, let's talk about languages that offer great learning experiences. C# is used in game development with Unity, and it's also handy for Windows applications. Meanwhile, languages like Go and Rust are gaining popularity for their focus on performance, safety, and modern syntax. If cloud computing and back-end development intrigue you, languages like Java, Python, and Ruby are commonly used. They provide the foundation for building scalable and reliable web applications. As machine learning and artificial intelligence continue to shape our world, languages like Python, R, and Julia become valuable tools. Their rich libraries and frameworks simplify the development of advanced algorithms. Finally, keep in mind that the best language often depends on your goals. Consider the job market, community support, and your personal interests. Learning one language often makes it easier to learn others in the future. So, whether you're a beginner, a web developer, an aspiring data scientist, or an AI enthusiast, there's a programming language waiting for you. Take the time to explore it and experiment. And remember that mastering any language is a step towards unlocking your potential as a programmer. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!